Hi everyone, welcome to Speakday. Today, we'll enjoy a short story in English called The Cooking Disaster. You'll hear a funny real-life situation, learn useful expressions, and practice using them at the end.
The Cooking Disaster.
Emma invited her friend Lena for dinner on Friday night. She wanted everything to be perfect. So she decided to try a new, fancy recipe she found online. The picture looked amazing, and the instructions said, ready in 30 minutes, easy for beginners. Emma thought, how hard can it be? She started chopping vegetables, but soon the kitchen was a complete mess. There were onion skins on the floor, open spice jars everywhere, and dishes piling up in the sink. Then she turned on the stove to cook the sauce. She tried to follow the steps but mixed up the ingredients and added sugar instead of salt. A few moments later, something smelled strange. Emma tasted the sauce and couldn't believe it. It tastes like dessert and tomato soup at the same time, she said. While trying to fix it, her phone rang and distracted her. By the time she returned, the sauce was burnt to a crisp. The smoke alarm started beeping, and Emma felt totally overwhelmed. Just then, Lena sent a message. I'm on my way. I can't wait to try your cooking. Emma looked at the disaster around her and started laughing. She opened a food delivery app and ordered pizza instead. When Lena arrived, Emma told the whole story. They both laughed non-stop. Lena said, this is definitely one for the books. They ate pizza in the messy kitchen, surrounded by pots and pans. In the end, the night was perfect in its own way, not because of the food, but because they enjoyed it together.
Did you enjoy the story? Let's look at the expressions we heard today. These expressions are very natural when describing funny mistakes or small disasters in daily life. New, fancy recipe. A recipe that looks special or more complicated than normal. A complete mess. Very untidy or disorganized. Mixed up the ingredients. Used things in the wrong order or the wrong way. Distracted. When something takes your attention away. Burnt to a crisp. Cooked for too long and completely burned. Totally overwhelmed. Feeling like everything is too much at one moment. Ordered pizza instead. Changed the plan and chose an easier solution. One for the books. A very funny or memorable story you will remember. Perfect in its own way. Not perfect in the usual way, but still special. These expressions are very natural when describing funny mistakes or small disasters in daily life. All right, now it's your turn to practice. Imagine I am your friend, and I just arrived at your house for dinner. I'll ask you 2 questions, and you answer me out loud using our new expressions. Ready? Let's try. Question 1. Hey, I'm so hungry. How did the cooking go? Is the food ready? Question 2. Oh no, that sounds like a complete mess. Should we just order pizza instead? Fantastic. You handled that conversation like a pro. You learned natural English expressions through a fun story. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short stories and join Speakday Conversation Club to practice speaking with people from around the world.